Hey dragons, I'm back. I just realized that if you want to take this a step further and add a little extra pizzazz to your owl, some of the materials that you already have at home, most likely you can use. So if you don't have paints, we can still create a paint method, a painterly effect. So all I have right here, I've already done the continuous line owl. All right, that's what we just did. So I'm going to put that off to the side for right now. And all I have right now is a piece of tinfoil and some markers. And watch what we are going to do. I'm going to take my markers and I'm just going to color all over this tinfoil, just straight on with the marker. Now I could create a pattern. We could do rainbow. So I could add a little bit of red up here, do some orange. I don't have any yellow in this pack in front of me, but any color will work. Just kind of really add on that marker. Let's see, some green. So again, all I'm using Crayola markers, any markers that you have. What's happening is the tinfoil is resisting the marker just enough that yes, it looks really cool and colorful, but if I were just to take my finger, it wipes right off. Okay, so this is just right on the surface of this tinfoil, and it's going to allow us to do a little bit of a printing method. So let's just finish this baby up. Add some blue. I don't have any purple in this pack either. And you'll notice that I didn't have to make it completely solid because we're going to add one more step in just a second using some water. And what the water is going to do, it's going to help lift off this marker and turn it into more of a watercolor effect. So I've done most of the tinfoil. I could do the entire piece, but this is larger than my actual drawing. And so now the second part of this is I have a spray bottle. You could even just kind of take you could take a toothbrush, dip it in water, fling it. You could take your fingers and flick water on it. I'm just going to use the spray bottle. And you'll see right away, it's helping lift up that marker. And it's creating all these really beautiful puddles. And I'm not going to mix it. I'm not going to do anything. But now I'm done with the color. I'm going to bring back my owl drawing. I'm going to flip over the owl. It looks really funny from the back. I'm going to just place this down on top of the tinfoil. And then I'm going to take my fist and I'm just going to massage the back of the paper. So the entire thing is getting pressed down. Make sure that we get color all over before we lift it up. All right, that was really fast. I think we're ready for the big reveal. So I'm going to hold down the tinfoil. Let me move this down. I'm going to hold down the tinfoil. I'm going to peel it from one corner. And now, oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that is, you guys. So now this is still wet because this is now like a watercolor effect. So I don't want to touch this. I want to just leave this alone, let it dry, and you just have now a finished work of art. You just took that plain Sharpie drawing, which was beautiful in itself, and now added a little extra pizzazz. So if you were to see this just all completely, it's gorgeous. Really nice job. If you had taken some crayon first and then added the marker on top, that crayon would add a whole nother effect as well. It's going to give you a little bit of a resist. So feel free, play around. If you don't have tinfoil, you can also use a plastic bag, but the water is key. All right. I cannot wait to see if you guys use this method. I am so, so, so excited. This is beautiful. I'm excited. I want to make some more. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully the rest of the week you'll show me what you guys create. Thanks. I'll see you later. Bye, dragons.